In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to add credit card to AWS. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. You will be able to add as many payment methods as you wish to AWS, including credit cards. Keep in mind that for you to even sign up to use AWS, you are going to need a credit or debit card. So first, I'm gonna go over the process that you can add your credit card during sign up, and then I'm going to talk about how to add new credit cards if you already have an account. So first, if you go through the sign up process, you will eventually reach this step, and as you can clearly notice, you will have to include a credit or debit card number. This isn't something that you can skip or bypass. So all that you have to do once you reach this step is to choose the billing country, make sure that you select this appropriately, and afterwards you will be able to include the credit or debit card number here. Include the expiration date, month and year, and then the security code known as a CVV or CVC. Finally, the full cardholder's name, and you will be good to go. Now, of course, because this contains private information, very sensitive, I won't be able to show you it in full. But after you are done with this step, you just have to verify your account, your email address, phone number, and you will be good to go. And this is going to be the primary way of adding a credit card. Now, if you already have an account and you just want to add a new payment method, then all that you have to do is go over to the settings on your account. So go over to the console, and by using the menu at the left side of the screen at the sidebar, you will be able to go over to preferences and settings and access payment preferences, where you can see the current payment method that you have registered to AWS, and if you scroll down, you will find the option to add a new payment method. So it's as simple as choosing this option and then inputting the details of a credit or debit card, just like I taught you here. I hope I was able to help you on how to add credit card to AWS. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more very easy tips. Thank you for watching.